Welcome to Building Material and Construction class by Sigma College of Architecture. In today's session, we will be looking at finishes. Under finishes, we will be looking at a type of finish called plastering. So, under plastering, we will be looking at lime plastering and cement plastering. So, finishes are used in the final stage of construction, forming the final surface of an building element. So, finishes can be done with cement or lime, or we can apply paint to building, or you can apply some kind of tiles to the building. So, finishes is like something similar to applying a moisturizer or some powder to our face to protect our face from sun or from any other weathering activities. So, the same way finishes is also done to the building to protect the building from extreme rainy conditions or extreme sun condition or any other weathering conditions. The different types of finishes in building are plastering, paint, glazes and varnishes. Plastering. Plastering is a process of covering a rough wall and uneven surface in a construction with some plastering material called plasters. So, plastering materials can be lime or cement. So, before doing a plastering to any surface, following method has to be made. So, first preparing a surface, mixing of plaster, applying of plaster and curing of plaster. So, from the next slide, we will look in detail about these different methods. Preparation of surface. The surface of a concrete or any substance that need to be plastered should be cleaned properly. So, here you can see they are cleaning the surface with some brush and water. So, the surface should be cleaned properly, only then the plaster used can make a proper bonding with the building element like wall or floor or roof. Next is mixing of plaster. So, mixing of plaster can be done in the ratio 1:6, that is like 1% cement and 6% of sand. This can be 1:6 can be used for interior plastering, and for exterior plastering 1:4 can be used. The plastering layer should be 11 mm in thickness. So, plastering should be like, first it should be applied in smaller strokes, then it will be made into a smooth surface like this. Next is curing of plaster. So, curing of a plaster can be done with water. So, we have to wet the surface where we did the plastering with water for minimum 7 days. Next is lime plaster. So, lime plaster is a mixture of building material lime and finely graded sand. So, lime plaster has to be done in 3 coats. First is scratch coat. So, here you can see. So, lime plaster can be also done to any wooden surface also. So, first coat is known as scratch coat because the surface is scratched with lime. So, you can clearly see here the surface is scratched with lines. So, mix used for this scratch coat is 1 part of lime to 2 part of very coarse or very well graded sand. Next is floating coat. So, floating coat, or it can be named as straightening coat. So, this is the second floating coat. So, the mix will have 1% of lime and 3% of some sharp or some well graded sand. So this thickness of this floating coat should not exceed 15 mm. Then last one is a finishing coat, which can be also called as setting coat. So this should be a very thinner coat and we should use sharp fine sand so that you will get a very smooth surface. Thank you.